Turn a bag into a bracelet with these simple steps. First, what you're going to do is flatten out the bag. Now, you're just going to fold the bag up like this. Cut the bottom off and the top. Now, cut 3 rectangles. You don't need this part anymore unless you're going to make more bracelets. Now, take one and open it up like this. You should find a loop. Next, you're going to take scissors and cut the loop like this, so that it's one long straight piece. Set this aside and do this to all of your loops. Take all of the strands and line them up just like this. Then tie a knot. Now take a clipboard or a piece of tape and tape or clip it onto the clipboard or the piece of tape, whatever you're using. Separate these strands into 3 parts. Then start braiding them. You want to braid a very, very long piece so that you have enough to tie around. Once you've reached close to the end of your strands, you can tie a knot. I just tied a double knot to make it extra secure. Cut off any extra. Unclip it from your clipboard and cut off any uneven parts from the top. Now all you can do is tie it around somebody's wrist, like your best friend, and cut off any extra that they might have. Then they can wear it all the time. You need to tie it in a triple knot. I tied mine in a triple knot just to make it extra secure and make it stay really well on my wrist. But you can do it as many times as you want. I would recommend doing a triple knot to maybe 5 knots. So how you would tie the knot is you would, if you were doing it on yourself, you would take it, twist your fingers like this, stick it down, then stick this one underneath. And then take your 2 fingers and tighten it. Or you could stick one in your mouth and then tighten it. So that's how you would do a basic knot on yourself if you wanted to. But I don't think I'm going to be giving this to... I don't think I'm going to be keeping this one. I think I'm going to give it to one of my friends as a friendship bracelet. And then whenever we wear it together, or whenever somebody walks by and they see it and they go like, "Where'd you get it?" We could say we made it, and then they could say, "Did you make it out of string or something?" Because it's really hard. It looks hard. And we could be like, and then we could say, "No, we actually made it out of plastic bags to save the planet, because plastic bags takes about 20 to 1,000 years to decompose." So that was how I made the bracelet. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!